Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is my first vlog with my new glasses. I probably won't be wearing them for all of them, but I'm pretty excited about them today since I just got them. So I wanted to wear them for this. So we're going to talk about the magic of beginnings and hitting your own reset button today. And this is a particular um, favorite subject of mine because if you ask any of my friends, I'm a total beginnings junkie. I love beginnings. I love Mondays. I love mornings. I love the beginning of the month. I love full moons. I love new moons. I love all different kinds of fresh starts. And I'm continually pressing my own reset button throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month. And I think it's a really powerful tool, and I wanted to share it with you because I know a lot of people, whether you're on the journey to eat healthier or you're on the spiritual path to meditate more and to release ego-based thoughts and come back to love, that we can get really discouraged along the way. Sometimes, everything doesn't go as planned, or, it's so-and-so's birthday and you kind of, eat pizza and cake or whatever, and then you feel like I've ruined everything. Or you get, caught down an ego spiral and, you don't know how to come back home. So the power of hitting your own reset button and the magic of beginnings is that at any time we can choose again. And this is a tool that I've been having a lot of my clients work with in their own life because it's been really transformational for me, is that at any point we can choose again. And that's not, that's something that we always have access to. So if you're going down that path towards fear and you feel yourself spiraling and you feel your negative thoughts coming up against a certain situation, you can stop yourself and say, I choose again. I choose to have a new beginning right in this moment. I choose to see this with love. And you can just wipe the slate clean right then and there energetically. And this was a big tool for me, especially when I first started my recovery from disordered eating, was really having that moment-to-moment reset button so that, if something happened and I fell back into a pattern or I ate like an entire tray of cookies at night, I, in that moment, forgave myself and chose again. I chose to have a new beginning, to start fresh, and have a clean slate, and to not, keep going down that road that wasn't serving me. So, in this week's newsletter, or I'll put the links below, I am including, a beginner's guide to getting started with your meditation practice and a beginner's guide to clean eating. And I want you to know that this isn't just for the beginners out there. This is for everyone, because at any point you can say, hey, I feel like I've wandered off the path. I choose to begin again. I choose a different story. I choose to see this differently and give yourself a magical new beginning. So I challenge you this week to really start having new beginnings, start pressing your own reset button, and really getting used to the power that comes in that, because we have access to that reset button all day, all the time, every day. So at any moment you get to hit the reset button, you get to choose again, you get to enjoy the magic of beginnings and to really recommit and get back to the light, get back to where you want to be, get back on track. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any questions about this concept. Also, let me know your fun stories about choosing again and, magical beginnings that you're having. And I'd love to hear from you. If you have any struggles around this area, put them in the comments below too. I will be happily replying to everything. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Wednesday from moi, and one-on-one feedback that you only get here on YouTube from me. Thank you guys, and I'll see you soon.